Alright everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode of Louie's Garage. So today we are going to be working on the Mini, the F56. This is my wife's car. It is a Mini Cooper S. And what are we doing? We are going to be changing the cabin air filters. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I haven't found a video that shows you how to do it on a right-hand drive car. So I'm going to be doing that today, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Should be pretty easy. Let's get into it. Alright, so step one is we're going to go into the driver's side footwell, and we're going to be removing this side panel. Now for some reason my wife's car does not have a top panel. Not sure why, maybe it's because of the Harman Kardon sound system. So I've only got this side panel to remove. Now in order to remove the side panel you're going to need a T20. So that's a Torx 20, and we're just going to undo this bolt in there. Yep, a little bit awkward spot, but definitely a T20. And we just have to undo that particular bolt. Alright, let me get that out of the way. Alright, so managed to get the bolt out. It's pretty easy, and managed to get the panel off. It's really simple. You just pull on the side here and it should come off really easily. And you can see the tab for the cabin air filter housing right there. So we just need to, sorry, there's not a lot of room here, but yeah, we just need to pull on this tab, and there you have it. We've opened that up, and the cabin filters are right there. Cool, so now all we have to do is grab the side there. I might not be able to film this actually, it's very tight. And then we just remove the old ones. Alright, there's one of them coming out. Alright. Huh. Okay, that's awkward. That's pretty much brand new. Oopsie. Okay, so that's slightly awkward. These air filters actually look really good. They're MAN filters, they're a good brand, made in Germany, and they look pretty new. So I'm just going to put these back in and use the ones that I got in the future. But yeah, that's basically how you get the air filters out. There is another one in there, so you kind of have to pull that one up and then get it through the gap. But yeah, I'm actually just going to reinstall this. Obviously be aware of the airflow direction. So the airflow comes from the front of the car to the back of the car. So you just want to make sure that's accurate as well. Don't install it the wrong way around. But yeah, I'm just going to put this back in. That's how you remove the cabin air filter for a right-hand drive F56 Mini Cooper S, and also how you install the cabin filter as well. So it's a little bit tight, but pretty easy to do. Alright, see you on the next episode. Bye.